Hi, it's Nell from Leafreport. I'm here at the USA CBD Expo in Miami. I'm here with Dr. Gilman, pharmacologist and founder of Sun Health Therapeuticals. Hi.
Hi, how are you, Noah?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Very good.
Okay. Tell us about your company and its history.
So we are making specific formulations of CBD capsules in specific disease states.
Sounds very good. Can you tell us a bit about your product and your research?
So we track clinical research around the world, and most of that is in medical cannabis. And we do conversions where they've been successful in the clinical research. We'll convert that into a hemp-derived CBD formula for capsules.
Wow, sounds very good. Do you have any thoughts you can share about the current legal status of CBD?
We're looking forward to the US FDA coming out with their opinions and regulations on CBD. As you know, it's still up in the air, and everyone's trying to comply, but we don't have the regulations to comply. So we're looking forward to that, and I think that once that occurs, it'll be very positive for the industry.
There are a lot of brands, demand, hype, and product, but there are no specific guidelines and regulation, as you mentioned, restricting the market. Could you give a brief overview of the emerging market from your point of view?
Yeah, so there's a lot of research that still needs to occur. There's about 400 studies currently going on with medical cannabis around the world, but there's very few of them specifically with CBD and hemp. So we're looking forward to having a lot that done. And a lot of the research that's registered, as you know, is coming out of Israel. So we track that, and we respect and watch the research coming out of there very closely.
What do you think users should look for in a product?
For emerging markets, I think that a lot of it looks towards the U.S. and for establishment of what works. I think once that occurs, I think there will be a global expansion and give many of these companies opportunity.
What are your recommendations for the beginner user, someone who has heard about CBD and is wondering where to start?
Well, I think everyone has got an internal system of cannabinoids, but they're all in different states. Some are more active than others, some are more deficient. So most people and clinicians say you should start very small and slow and find out where your best responses are, and you learn your body the best. So the individual knows their body the best, better than anybody, and they'll find their equilibrium and what's the best thing for CBD for them.
Do you use CBD yourself?
Yes, I have used CBD. Our particular products are in certain categories that I do not have, but I certainly have used CBD.
Which products?
So I have the products are in the very beginning stages of innovation. So we're still doing tinctures ourselves.
How do you see the future of the CBD industry legally and classification?
I think the CBD industry has a lot to offer, and I hope that the U.S. government is as open to that because there's a lot of compounds on the market, whether it's nicotine or alcohol or even acetaminophen, that the government has been very open to, and CBD has a strong history of safety, and I hope that the studies will refute that and we can move on.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Gilman, for your time.